In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can password protect a RAR file. So here I have two files on my desktop and I'm going to be compressing them and adding a password. So I'm going to highlight them both, then right click and select WinRAR. So I'm going to select add to archive. So to achieve this, I'm using the WinRAR archive, right? So I'm going to keep the default compression and such. So I'm just going to be setting the password. And then select OK and then select OK to continue. So it has been compressed to desktop RAR. So when I open this, so if I right click on the file and try to extract it, it will then require a password, right? So let's extract files to my desktop and then select OK. And you can see that I need my password.